Hi, my name is Hussam, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of BNXi, a MENA fintech on a mission to empower SMEs to take charge of their finances. SMEs are crucial to our economy, where they contribute over $1 trillion to regional GDP, employ about 50% of the regional labor force, and are responsible for over 30% of non-oil GDP. Despite their importance, SMEs still struggle to access financial services, given the time, effort, and expense to open an account, to the inaccessibility of credit resulting in a $180 billion financing gap. The blame lies not only with the banks, which prefer dealing with larger corporate clients, but also with the SMEs, which are not easy to bank. A lot of them still have manual financial processes, paper records, no proper financial controls, and lack the financial experience and know-how to implement these changes. In addition, new corporate tax legislation is a major catalyst for this to change. This is where we come in. So we've built a platform to try and solve the issues faced by SMEs. Firstly, by enhancing accessibility, and secondly, by making it easier for businesses to take charge of their finances. It all starts with our cash management dashboard, which as soon as you're onboarded gives you a payment account, allowing you to send and receive payments. The dashboard also allows users to aggregate all their bank accounts in a single place, giving a consolidated view of all holdings and transactions. Our expense management tools help empower a business to take charge of their finances by categorizing income and expenses in real time. This data can then be exported into accounting software, eliminating manual data review and entry. We estimate that this alone can save a small business somewhere in the region of $4,000 a year. We can also help businesses implement financial controls by giving them the ability to create authorization processes and limits. Businesses can also manage their working capital through the invoicing module, which can help manage payables as well as track and chase overdue receivables. Through the card management dashboard, the business can track corporate and employee card usage. This includes the ability to instantly issue employees with merchant lock payment cards and review these employees' transactions. This drastically reduces the time spent by finance teams manually reviewing and reconciling employee expenses. We want to provide essential financial services to SMEs, but we also want to empower businesses to focus on growth by implementing controls and automating their financial management. There are over 20 million SMEs across MENA, 600,000 of which are registered as LLCs. But what we are targeting is the 50,000 newly registered businesses across the region every year. Our go-to-market strategy starts with creating partnerships with free zones to focus on newly created entities. This provides an immediate solution to the chronic problem faced by new businesses in trying to open bank accounts. We then want to target services firms where a significant amount of employee time is spent filling out expense reports, and as we grow, we want to launch a credit card product. This will help businesses manage their short-term and working capital needs. Finally, we want to utilize the data from our expense management platform to help firms obtain credit from our banking partners. We aim to do this by building credit scoring models which are better suited to determining SME credit worthiness. This will not only enhance firms' accessibility to credit, but also reduce credit underwriting times for partner banks. A number of key milestones have already been met, and these include incorporation, licensing, and banking partnerships. In addition, significant strides have been made in determining product market fit through customer engagement. At inception, our main revenue drivers will be fee income from transaction fees and card interchange, as well as from the interest on cash held in customer accounts. We then aim to grow by introducing lending products like credit cards, where the risk will be held by BNXi, as well as facilitating longer-term lending products through partner banks. These products will not only grow revenues, but also attract new customers. We have a team of highly experienced individuals within the financial services space with a depth of knowledge across sales, investments, operations, and technology. I helped build and sell the asset management division at a large regional investment bank, where I also spent the last 5 years deploying over $500 million in private credit to SMEs. Our CTO, Saif, has been working on building and designing solutions for banks, including helping design and build one of the region's first neobanks. Our COO, Fareed, who I've worked with for over 6 years, has designed and built operation systems and processes for mass settlement and reconciliation. We're raising a $2 million seed round to launch operations. A portion of the money raised will be set aside for regulatory capital requirements, while the remainder will be spent on new hires, operating expenses, marketing, and product development. Our vision is to become the financial hub for businesses, helping power their finances and financial decision-making. We want to do this not only as an enabler, but also as a facilitator of financial services. We'd like to thank you all for your time today. Please feel free to reach out to myself or any of our team members if you have any further questions or inquiries.